everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ana Leia. In this video, I just want to show you guys how I decorate my house for some pink stuff. So this year 2022, I don't know, but I've been feeling so girly. I don't know if you guys knew, but I love pink. For some reason, I don't know why, but I just love pink. I just feel like it's girly and feminine and I don't know, sexy. So I decorate my house with some pink stuff. So I hope you guys like this video. Let's get started. Hi everyone! Welcome to my house. Halika, pasok kayo. So this mirror right here, we got this at Marshall. And I just hung a little bit of those artificial flowers. And this, I have to have it. It's from Marshall. It's pink, that's why I got it. And this artificial flower was from Amazon. And this right here, I don't have any picture yet, but look at the flower. It matches my house. So I was like, you know what? We'll just hang with that picture for now. And this smells so good from Marshall. And that one is so cute from Marshall also. And this ladder right here, it's actually two, and it was actually my husband's. So he separated it for me, and I just painted it white. And that's my plant. And that flower right here, it's real. And this table right here, I painted it also white. And I got this gold display from Marshall. And this is actually from my BFF cousin. It smells super good. And I got this from Marshall also. And this is from Amazon. They're fake pink succulents. So I figure, you know what? They're pink. What the hell? And I got this sign from Marshall. It's just so cute. I have this jar or storage thingy from Hobby Lobby, and I had it for a long time. I figured, you know what? It's so different. So I had it a long time, and I go, oh, I can't get rid of it. It's so cute. And I got these beads from Amazon. They came with 3 pieces. This is our former living room. I painted this table a long time ago, and I just love how it turned out. I was so scared when I was doing it, but it turned out really good. So let's start with all these pillowcases from Amazon. They're like blush and white. And I got all this, I believe this one was from Marshall. Yes, from Marshall. And this base was from Target. And this artificial flowers again from Amazon. And I just hung a little bit of artificial pink flowers up there. And there's some pink curtains. And this sign right here, my daughter wrote that, but we got the board from Walmart. And I got this hanging artificial plant from Amazon. And of course, I have to put a little bit pink. So this is our family living room. Actually, there's nothing much over here, guys. I just added some pink pillowcases and flowers. And right here, I got 2 beautiful vases like this from Marshall. And I ordered this. I had these artificial flowers from Amazon, and I just love it. I just can't help it. So I add them in my living room. And I got that sign from Hobby Lobby. And my husband just put a little bit of lights there. And my husband's aunt gave me that really cute sign right there. It's so cute. And I just added some pink candles. And that's the other ladder that my husband's and I just painted it. And there's another one. And that's it. And this clock right here, it used to be in our living room, the other living room, but I figure, you know what? I don't know if I like it there, but it's gonna be up there for now. And these 3 mirrors right here was from Marshall. And I just added a little bit pink flowers just to match it.